Here's some more of our French time names. So remember the little bridge is tate. And can you remember this sign? We said it with magic lips, didn't we? So see if you can read this pattern with me. Ready? Tate, tate, ta. Can we say it again? Tate, tate, ta. Let's see if we can clap that pattern together. Ready? Tate, tate, ta. Good job. Now we've got something even trickier. So remember we had tas, then we had tates, and tates went twice as fast as the tas. Well, we're going to go even faster again, twice as fast again. And here's our new sign. Taffy. Can you say that? Taffy. It's like 4 little notes. So this is really getting tricky, but you're also clever. I'm sure you'll be able to do this. Let's say it together. Ta, tate, taffy, ta. Again. Ta, tate, taffy, ta. Can we clap that pattern together? Ta, tate, taffy, ta. On our shoulders. Ta, tate, taffy, ta. You could play it on an instrument, on a drum, or with claves or tapping sticks as well. See if you can make up your own 4-beat patterns. Okay? See if you can do that. You can do it with paddle pop sticks, or you could draw your own patterns, or you might come up with some other ways. Maybe laying your dollies and your teddies out as the tas, the tates, the taffy-tippies, and the sas. Thank you. See you next time. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoy these videos and find them helpful, just like and subscribe. Thanks so much. See you next time. Bye.